If your chat isn't showing up on Roblox or you want to turn it back on, enabling chat on PC is quick and easy. Roblox lets you control chat settings through your account privacy options so that you can manage who can message or chat with you in game. In this guide, you'll learn the exact steps to enable chat on Roblox using your computer. First, you need to go to the official Roblox website, that is roblox.com, log into your account, and then tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen and go to Settings. Once you're in this page, go to the Privacy tab or go to Privacy and Content Restrictions page. Now, in this page, you need to simply go ahead and tap on Communication that you will find below the Screen Time option. Here, you'll get 4 different options: Experience Chat, Party, Voice Chat, Camera Input. You need to go through all these options and set it to everyone. Also, go to the camera input and make sure that the toggle is switched on. To specifically enable chat, make sure that you go to the experience chat option and select everyone over here. Also, check your account age, which is really important. So, if your account is under 13, Roblox automatically restricts chat features, voice chat, some local social settings as well. So, these restrictions cannot be removed until your account's age is 13 or older. So, make sure that the chat isn't disabled in the game, and some games may hide or disable the chat feature. So, you can press slash key on your keyboard to open the chat bar, and if the chat box does not appear, either the game developer disabled the chat or your privacy settings are blocking it. And after changing your privacy settings, go ahead, close Roblox completely in your device and reopen the game. And this ensures that the new chat settings are applied. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.